Imagine managing a complex project involving multiple vendors, teams, and competing priorities. The success depends on how you lead. Midway through execution, conflicts inevitably arise, affecting productivity, morale, and your critical delivery timelines. A traditional response is to enforce contracts and escalate issues through authority. It's the "because I said so" approach. But this often creates resistance, frustration, and even deeper problems that can stall your project entirely. True leadership, however, focuses on trust, collaboration, and guiding principles to overcome these hurdles. At Andro Indian, we value influence over power. Authority is given by a title, but leadership is earned through influence. One demands compliance, the other inspires commitment. In the initiation phase, authority defines the charter, but leadership builds the vision and secures stakeholder buy-in. Leadership ensures that every team member understands the why behind the project, aligning individual goals with the organizational strategy. Moving into planning, authority sets the WBS, but leadership creates an environment where experts feel safe to contribute accurately. When you lead your planning, you aren't just assigning tasks, you're building a shared roadmap that the whole team owns. During execution, authority monitors the schedule. Leadership fosters a value delivery system focused on quality and outcomes. A leader encourages value engineering, empowering the team to find the most efficient way to deliver the scope without sacrificing quality. Modern project leadership also means ESG integration, considering environmental, social, and governance factors in every decision. Finally, in monitoring and closing, authority audits the results, while leadership harvests the lessons learned for future growth. Leadership ensures that closing isn't just a sign-off, but a transition to the next phase of the product lifecycle with better knowledge. Effective governance requires both. Authority provides the framework, but leadership ensures personal accountability and ethical conduct. This holistic thinking is what separates a project manager from a project leader. You see the big picture and the small details. At Andro Indian, we believe that mastering these leadership performance domains is the key to delivering true value in every project. Remember, your authority is your right to lead, but your leadership is your ability to make others want to follow. When you lead with trust, you don't just finish projects, you build high-performance teams that excel under any pressure. Apply these principles to your next project. Subscribe for more deep dives into project management and technology strategy. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.